Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. Hope you are doing great. It's your girl Queen and Nikki. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit subscribe button to join the family. And for my old subscribers, thanks for always tuning into the channel. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to braid on natural dreadlock. Yeah, I've received a lot of messages, like people were sending me message, Queen Aniki, can you please show us how to braid on natural dreadlock? And if you're part of the people sending me messages, please, this video is for you. Pay attention and watch from the beginning to the end. So like I said earlier, I'll be braiding on natural dreadlock, and this is me trying to braid the natural dreadlock. Here right now I'll be using color 27, as in the extension that I'll be using is color 27, and I have my hair wax as in the edge control. You can use any of your favorite edge control, but this particular one I love using Kaima. This is Kaima, is black edge control, so I'm using Kaima edge control. You can also use shine and jam. Yes, you can use any of your favorites gel, but this particular one I'm using Kaima. So guys, please note this: whenever you are trying to braid or you are trying to work on dreadlock, you can only use shampoo to wash the hair. Do not use conditioner. Yes, do not use conditioner, you only use shampoo. And this particular dreadlock, as in my client's natural dreadlock, is washed already. That's why I'm trying to work on it, but I did not show you guys where I'm washing it. So this is me trying to fix the dreadlock. Anytime you're braiding on natural dreadlock, make sure you secure the dread very well, as in you braid it neat. Yeah, can you see the ones I've done so far? Like, I'm almost done here. This is the natural dreadlock. Can you see? This is looking beautiful. Yeah, welcome back once again, my beautiful people. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family. And for my returning subscribers, thanks so very much for always tuning into the channel. Please, if you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe button, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video to your friends and family, and please give the video a big thumbs up. Yeah, so guys, this is me trying to braid on natural dreadlock. Can you see? My client said she's tired of carrying just one look, like she wants to change her look. So she decided to braid on her dread, and that's exactly what I'm giving to her. Can you see, guys? As you're trying to braid the braid, please make sure you secure the natural dread. Make sure you secure it well, and make sure you braid it tight so that you'll be able to blend it well, able to blend the dread well. I see, guys. So this particular braid is long. My client wants it longer. So guys, I'm done here. Now I'm trying to trim the hair. Please make sure you trim the braid very well. Trimming is part of braiding. When you finish braiding hair, like, trimming is the most important thing. So after the trimming, I try to use fire method. So guys, I know most of you will be wondering, what is Queen Aniki doing here? Yeah, I want to use fire method. So I try to take small cotton wood and wrap it on scissors. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to spray or sheen on the hair so that the fire will not stay on the braid. I know that's the reason why most people don't like fire method, because whenever they use fire, the braid will get rough on time, to be pulling their cloth and all of that. So if you spray or sheen before using this fire method, the fire will not stay on the braid. Yes, to just go fluently. Can you see, guys? This is the fire method. So after, when I'm done with the trimming, I try to use fire. Then after the fire method, I go ahead and put the hair inside the hot water. Can you see, guys? Can you see? It's not looking as if I use fire on the braid. So after the trimming and the fire method, I use water. I put the hair inside hot water just to calm the braid down. Can you see, guys? Then after that, this is the part I want to show you guys. If you are trimming the tips of the braid, don't use scissors, use razor blade, so that the tips will be penciled the way you want it. Can you see, guys? So after that, I go ahead and apply mousse. You guys knows what mousse does on braid. Here, I love using mousse. So it's a must for you to apply mousse on your braid as a professional. So guys, after that, can you see? After applying the mousse, I use my hand dryer just to dry it very well. And that's all about this lovely tutorial. You guys will see my client is in love with this braid. Can you see? This is the final look of the braid. My clients love this lovely braid. She can't believe she braid this on her head. Yeah, can you see? See how she's flaunting it? She's so happy. Thank you so much, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give the video big thumbs up, share to your friends and family, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.